Hey everybody, EJ here, EJ's Appliance Repair in Lexington, Kentucky. I wanted to come on and give a little shout out video for Mike Carson and ITD Web Design. I hired Mike in December of this past year, to take over my SEO, marketing, and Google advertising. And within about 2 to 3 weeks, he had a website built that far exceeded what I had before. Several pages, lots of content, pictures, everything that I needed. That website is ejsappliances.com. So January 6th, we went live. And if you know about the appliance repair industry, that's the slow season. And it was slow, but we stayed alive for those 2 months. That was my transition from going part-time as a business owner to full-time. So there was that as well. So by March, we had doubled our gross sales in my business. We got so busy after just 2 months that I had to start looking at hiring another guy. This is July, I have since hired another tech to cover the area that I was trying to grow in. I have a tech now that is every day of the week in Lexington, Kentucky, where I was trying to grow. And that's exactly what happened. So much so that I now have a second tech training to take over that area as well. So within just less than 6 months, a new website, ranking #1 organically on Google for several search terms, almost all of them that matter. And we are having our phone ring off the hook. So I had to hire a call center, my office help, to answer my calls, because for my one CSR, my wife, it became way too much. So these are good problems to have, and these are the ones I asked for. I asked Mike Carson to deliver, and that is exactly what he did. So I thank you for all the problems I now have, Mike. These are much better problems than I had before. Thank you.